Yes.
Check today's fit. Sock check.
Can you do it on your phone too? Yay! Gonna breathe out before you did that. Did you finish it? How long does that take? I think it took like 30 minutes.
Yes, we'll tag you.
I do a little simple updo. This one. Or this one. Because the fan's cool. Or this one.
I like the fan.
The fan.
For the nipple tassels or what?
Oh my god.
Hey, are you okay?
Sorry.
A camera.
You did?
I got a camera.
Oh wait. I love seeing all the different patterns that people choose for the kimonos. They're so...
Black koi. Smaller set, but it's 2,300. But seasonal, traditional Kyoto. Oh yeah. But yeah. Everything's so good right now.
It's like tofu mozzarella.
What? You forget?
It might be in here.
Arigatou gozaimasu. So cute how they walk you up. Oh my god. That was so good. Usually we're sauce people, but there were no sauces to dip in, yet you didn't miss any of the sauces. Everything was just perfectly seasoned with a little bit of shio, salted, and the potato salad was so good. I'm kind of stunned at how delicious it was. And it was only 2,300 yen.
Mine was 3,500.
Yeah.
I had a little bit more.
But there was so much variety and so much skill and technique with the taste and presentation. It was impeccable. I loved it. And it was just lunch.
Yeah, we're lucky. Usually dinner here is, I think it's like 8 to 10,000
Yeah.
per person, but we're lucky to even get this lunch because my friend kind of pushed our way and they were closing and we're the last people.
Yeah, we're like, well, wait. And then they're like, okay, we'll take you.
Yeah.
And then we
I've
barely...
been trying to book a kaiseki place all week because it's such short notice.
Yeah.
There's like no reservation. So we're super lucky.
Oh my god, that's
really good.
We just picked a random restaurant too, but the only one, yeah, everything else was closed
And
or
it was
booked.
highly rated too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, let's turn around.
But yeah, definitely
5
recommend
stars.
this place.
Yes, 5 stars.
If you're lucky enough to get a reservation, but you could just come and wait.
Yes.
But
Hello. Yeah, we don't walk in here the other time.
nope.
Yeah, let's go take a look. They're socks. I don't know, I think they write wishes on here because I see hearts. Oh, that's a cute photo. No, that's a cute photo. Yeah. Yasaka pudding. I got muscat because of the seasonal, and I love green grapes. And then Michael got the soft pudding. It is, what does it have?
Milk.
Milk. That's it?
And that's the original.
Original. Cling.
Gotta break it. Oh, there you go. Some power.
Okay, first. Okay, let me try a little bit of jelly first. Mmm. Ooh. Ooh.
So sour.
No, you get little parts of
What's
a
that?
fruit that are a little tart, but
The most popular one, but it's eaten.
is
It
that
has like
good?
little balls inside. Yeah, it's good.
I think it's honey and lemon.
Yeah, try it.
Oh shoot. No, it's really good.
Because it's
try
not
it?
too rich.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta get
I like it.
a little bit of both.
Yeah, you have to get both a little. Yeah. Maybe one big bite of the same thing.
That's good.
I think this one's better.
I love the
original,
Japanese green grapes. Yeah.
The most popular one.
Okay. Okay. Can you hold it real quick? And it's that there are vanilla bean in here. I love vanilla bean. It just, oh.
Yeah. Wiggle, wiggle.
This is a ramen belly. It's our last night in Kyoto. Look at it. We're just chilling here.
And the tatami room.
Tommy.
What do you guys think of this place so far?
It's cool.
That's cool.
It's a little hard.
I
The
noticed-
wood's a little hard, but it's cool.
I noticed that there's no TV, but I like it.
Do you really?
I do like it.
So I'm gonna take the TV out of our room.
That's fine. I never watched as much TV before I met you.
Sleeping on the
Whatever.
floor is not
Yeah,
my,
whatever.
No, I'm
No.
serious.
not my
I
preferred
never
method
did.
of sleep.
All right.
Yeah, she was busy just reading encyclopedias.
Seriously, I was.
So those tatamis were kind of rough. I don't know. I don't
So
think
the
I could do that
futon,
again.
so these are the tatami mats,
Yeah.
right? So sleeping on these mats in futons is just not the business.
My hips are like permanently bruised. I feel.
Yeah, I'm pretty bruised.
Right?
Every time I roll over to my side, I'm just like, ah.
I think
Like
you
a
have to-
tender.
You gotta build those muscles, those hip muscles.
We don't have those.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm glad that we're heading to Bangkok
And we're staying at Marriott.
Marriott.
Wait, our schedule is
looking
so weird right now.
Yeah.
So our flight's at 7 a.m., but there are no trains that function.
Yeah.
So we have to get there by 5, right? I guess. But there are no trains that are operating at 5 a.m.
Yeah. So the first train out of here for where we were trying to go is 5:45 in the morning, and that would get us to the airport at 7:10, which is where our flight is. So that kind of
too
screws us
late.
up. So we're just gonna head to the airport now and hang out over there. And
But you know what our other option? First, we were gonna go to a karaoke room and just sing or crash there until it was
5
time to
a.m.
leave. Don't think bad memories. Where?
We have a whole subway to ourselves. Time to dance.
There's so much room for activities.
The police.
It is on patrol. So we just checked into our last spot before we head off to Bangkok, and I mean, it has nice decorations. It's pretty cool. Take a look. I have a complaint. My neighbor's nosy. Noisy. Not nosy. Nosy and noisy.
I haven't been over the bathroom, so it's like gassy and farting nonstop.
You what? Oh, you're gassy? So, deep espresso, including oolong tea, and fancier latte. We have a park bench, hammock. Yeah, we got a tea.
Have you guys ever went camping in Osaka Airport? Check it out.